Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam error. So let's get into it. First of all, open WhatsApp. Click the More Options icon in the upper right corner. Go to Settings and select Help from the option. Tap the Contact Us option. State the error message you encountered. Submit the form. After you've submitted the form, wait for a few days for WhatsApp's decision. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.